How to log in Instagram without email, phone and password. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you land in this login page, there it will ask you to enter your username, email or mobile number in your password. Here, if you don't want to use your email or mobile number, you can use your username. So type in your Instagram username. Then tap on the link on the login button that says forget password. After that, you will be taken into this page where it says find your account. Here, instead of typing email or username on the text field, you have to tap on the link below, enter your email or username that says can't reset your password, so tap on it. That will take you into different page where it says help center. Scroll down a bit and there tap on recover your Instagram password. Once it's expanded, scroll down a bit and then you have to tap on the link that says visit this page, which is if you're not able to reset your password this way, visit this page on your desktop or mobile browser to secure your account, so you have to tap on the link. Here it says why can't you get into your account, so choose I forgot my password, scroll down a bit, then tap on next. Now again it will ask you to enter your email, phone or username. Here again type in your username. Then tap on send login link. Here Instagram Help Center will send you a link to get back into your account, so tap on send login link. Here it says we have sent an email to the email account that you have added while creating an account with a link to get back into your account, so tap on OK. Now once you have done that, you can close this. Then open up Gmail in your device. And make sure that you're logged in with your same account that you have used while creating your Instagram account. Head to its inbox. There you can see I have an email from Instagram. Tap and open it up. Then you will have two options, either to log in into your account or to reset your password. Now to log in, simply tap on login. And with that, you're directly logged into your account. So that's how you can log in into Instagram without using email, phone number and password. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.